We are a team, we're a family.
I am on a team of 6 people and we are spread out across the US, but we are thick as thieves.
The best idea wins, and we're willing to take the best idea from whoever wants to speak up. And so no one has an ego, egos are checked at the door.
No one shows up and says, it's not my job. Never lose a loan.
Mutual trust, and we always ask, what can I do for you?
Really the way that we look after each other. It's a really great group to be a part of, and everyone is willing to help everybody else.
We support each other because we're celebrating each small or big deal, and I really like that.
People here at Kiteworks are really eager to help each other, and if you reach out, everybody is super willing to come and support you with your need.
Our culture is very much an inclusive one. Nobody gets left behind.
He never gives me a direct answer, but instead he shares stories.
I don't feel like there is competition here by means of you want to be better than someone else. I feel like we want to be better together, which is really beautiful to work in.
That's what makes the impact, and that's what also hopefully makes sure that everyone goes home with a sense of accomplishment and also happiness.
One value that we live every day is going to be execute through excellence. Everyone just strives for perfection here.
I mean, I really feel some days like I'm just on a rocket ship, and it's really fun to be part of the ride.
She's a tough interrogator.
She really is.
I'm sorry, can you say that one again? I need to think that one through.
I think so. This is the first time I'm facing a camera, but yeah, let's see how it goes.
Oh my God, I'm doing this is awful. I'm so sorry.